Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how to redeem Roblox codes step by step in the easiest way possible. First of all, open any browser on your device and go to the official Roblox redemption page by typing roblox.com/redeem in the search bar. This is the only trusted place to redeem your promo codes, so make sure you are on the correct site. Next, sign in to your Roblox account if you haven't already. Without logging in, you won't be able to use the code, so make sure your username and password are entered correctly. Now, you will see a box that says code. Simply type the code you have into this box. Be careful while entering the code. Make sure it's typed exactly as given, including any capital letters or numbers. After that, tap the redeem button just below the box. If your code is valid, you will get a confirmation message and the items will be added to your inventory immediately. If the code is expired or already used, you will see an error message instead. To check what you received, go to your Roblox inventory and look under the relevant category such as accessories, hair, or clothing. That's where the redeemed item will appear. And that's it. Now you know how to redeem Roblox codes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. And make sure to tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.